So I bought the Leatherman Raptor because I could, and I wanted to show you what it looks like. What I also have is two other emergency shears that I bought. Do a little comparison. So it comes in a pretty stable box. This one had the clip with it, or the sheath, and it fits pretty well in there. You can see the indent right there where the belt clip will clip in. It's pretty stable. It'll go on your belt, pretty wide belt. And then to open it, it just unfolds, and you can see where it's pretty substantial compared to either this one or this one. And these are the less expensive models, and I really like it. You can see how thick the blade is, and then it folds up by pushing those in. It's got the belt clip. I showed you that. This is a seat belt cutter. I don't have an extra seat belt to show you how it works, but it does. And then that folds in. It's also got a ring cutter, and again, right there. And I don't have an extra ring cutter. I was going to try and cut this and see what happened, but that ain't going to work. So anyway, that's it. I really like it. And
okay, Amazon, if you're interested in this product, fairly decent except for a few minor things, but just to kind of give you an example of how good this product is, we're going to be testing it on this thick scrap piece of rawhide leather. So just going on the sides. Now, don't get me wrong, it's still going to be a little difficult, but still doable. So yeah. Now you are having to struggle a little bit with this. Still was able to get through that. Not necessarily a clean-cut line, but you can definitely see how thick that stuff is compared to my fingers. So, see how good.